Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to exploring innovative ways to generate income online. Today, we're delving into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and how you can harness its power to earn money directly from your smartphone. The convergence of AI and mobile technology has opened up unprecedented opportunities for income generation. This combination is not just revolutionary, it's transforming the landscape of online entrepreneurship. Let's begin by examining how AI on your phone can be a powerful tool for making money. The beauty of this approach lies in its accessibility. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned professional, AI-powered apps and platforms are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Many individuals face common hurdles when attempting to earn money online, such as time constraints, limited resources, or lack of specialized knowledge. AI addresses these challenges by automating complex tasks, providing data-driven insights, and offering scalable solutions that were previously out of reach for the average person. Now, let's explore some specific ways to leverage AI on your smartphone for financial gain. 1. AI-powered stock trading apps. Platforms like Robinhood or Acorns use machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends and make investment recommendations. 2. Virtual assistant services. Apps like Otter.ai or Reverend can transcribe audio to text, allowing you to offer transcription services without extensive typing skills. 3. AI writing tools. Applications such as Jasper or Copy.ai can help you create content for blogs, social media, or marketing materials, enabling you to offer writing services even if you're not a professional writer. 4. Image recognition tasks. Apps like Amazon Mechanical Turk allow you to complete small AI training tasks, such as labeling images or verifying data, for payment. 5. Predictive analytics. For local businesses, use AI-powered apps like TrendSpotter to identify emerging trends and offer valuable insights to local businesses for a fee. Let me share a compelling success story. Sarah, a college student, started using an AI-powered app called Replika to create personalized chatbots. She offered these chatbots to small businesses for customer service purposes. Within 6 months, Sarah was earning over $3,000 per month, working just a few hours a day from her phone. The benefits of using AI on your phone for income generation are numerous. 1. Flexibility. Work from anywhere, at any time. 2. Low startup costs. Most AI-powered apps are free or have low subscription fees. 3. Scalability. AI can handle increasing workloads without requiring more of your time. 4. Continuous learning. AI algorithms improve over time, enhancing your earning potential. 5. Diverse opportunities. From creative tasks to data analysis, there's an AI solution for various skills and interests. The potential for growth in this field is immense. According to a report by PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. By getting involved now, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of this digital revolution. It's time to take action. Start by exploring AI-powered apps in your area of interest. Experiment with different platforms and find what works best for you. Remember, the key to success is consistency and adaptability. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides on leveraging AI for online income. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your AI money-making stories in the comments below. Together, we can unlock the full potential of AI to boost our income streams and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into specific AI tools and strategies for maximizing your online earnings.